Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my another Clickbank training video. If you are struggling for a long time to make your first sale on Clickbank, so guys, stick till the end of this video. In this video, I am going to show you this very simple and the most effective technique to make your first sale on Clickbank. The same strategy I am using and I am making daily commission on Clickbank. So if you are new on this channel, I invite you to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you can get notified when I upload my new video on how to make money online as an affiliate marketer. And one more thing guys, I am struggling from last 8 months to make commission on Clickbank, but I have tried so many things, so many strategies to make money online, but unfortunately, I did not get any result. But last month I joined a super affiliate system, and this training changed my life. Only in single month, I made over $1,000 only in single month. And in last 8 months, I have I did not have any kind of sale. But this is true, guys. You need a mentor who can guide you to what is working and what did not work. So I just request you to find a mentor that who can guide you to make your successful online business. So if you finding a mentor, just click the link in description, sign up for free training, and if you feel that this is the right program, so you can join the super affiliate system. So guys, let's dive in to today's method. So first of all, go to clickbank.com. If you have Clickbank account, just log in into your account. If you don't have Clickbank account, just sign up for Clickbank account and then log in. So you can see I'm making money. So you can see this month I made $533, $140, $309, and this month I made $63. So all these commission I made that I made by the training of super affiliate system. So let's go to marketplace. So this is guys free method. So I am promoting the same offer and the same strategy I will show you that I am following. So first of all, we will promote manifestation magic. So just go click on search button, and this is, you can see gravity right now 166. It means 166 affiliates successfully promoting this offer and earning good amount of commission. So we have to click on promote and enter your nickname and generate hook links. Then copy your affiliate link and then go to bit.ly.com. So guys, I am showing the same offer that I am promoting and the same strategy that I am following. So you just have to believe me and you have to try this method only for 2 days. just 2 days, you will definitely see the results. So then shorten your link and copy, and after getting your affiliate link, go to affiliate page of Manifestation Magic, and you can sign up for affiliate tools and any other information, but I'm just clicking on without sign up, and you have to click on email swipe, and scroll down, and we have to copy this email, only the body, only the message part. So you have to copy this message, and we will use Facebook. We will use Facebook to promote our affiliate link. So just type law of attraction. So what you have to do now, you have to join all these groups, guys. You have to join all these groups, but do never join maximum 10 groups in a day if you are starting just now. So just you have to join all these groups, and then after the admin approve your joining request, now you have to post in this group. So what you have to do, you have to create this kind of post. You can use Instagram post. If you are using Instagram, go to any kind of law of attraction related page, and copy their image, and you can also use Canva to make same kind of post. So you just have to click on add photo, upload photo. So for example, guys, I will use this post. For example, guys, but you can try. There are so many posts available on Instagram. You can choose according to your interest, and you have to post this post. First, the admin approve your post. So you can see the post is pending. So admin approve your post. When admin approve your post, so what I have to do? You have to edit this post, and you let me show you. So this group. So same thing you have to do with here. Add photo. My internet is slow, so sorry for that, guys. There is a rainy season. Currently, it is raining. That's why there is a network issue. select image, and you have to enter the message that we have copied from email swipe. So you have to enter the message here. So you have to enter your message, and in the end of the message you have to put your affiliate link, right? You have to put your affiliate link, and I don't know what is happening. So you have to enter the same message and your affiliate link, and you have to post this post. And when people see your post, and they will read the message, and they will click on the link, and they will directly redirect to the sales page of manifestation magic. If they feel this product can help them to manifest whatever they want, they will buy, and you get your first commission. So this is the very simple, guys, simple method, guys. I'm using this method and making good amount of commission. So you can see I have made $769 and $382 of upsell. So total you can see above $1,000 I made only with this manifestation magic, and using same strategy, using Facebook groups. So you can use this technique with there are so many options available like manifestation magic, numerology, and 15 minutes manifestation, and vibration jumping. There are so many offers available, so you can use same strategy, and I will guarantee you will definitely make your first sale on Clickbank. So that's it, guys. I hope you get value from this. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more tips and strategy to make money online like this. And don't forget to sign up for free training by John Cristani. This is a free webinar. In this webinar, he will show you how he generates 6 million in affiliate marketing. So I will see you guys on the next video. Bye for now.